If you want to cancel your Amazon Prime Video free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly before being charged. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your Prime membership. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and List menu at the top right corner. Click on your Prime membership from the drop-down options. Step 3. Manage your membership. On the Prime membership page, look for the Manage Membership section. Click on the option that says End Membership or Cancel Free Trial. Step 4. Follow the cancellation prompts. You will be guided through a series of prompts confirming your decision to cancel. Read through the information provided and select the appropriate options to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the prompt, ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation as well. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Amazon Prime Video free trial before any charges occur. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Amazon customer support.